Why are copper and aluminum containers not used to store pickles? Copper and aluminum react easily and produce toxic substance harmful for us. Therefore, copper and aluminum not used for store pickles. While eating midi meal, some sabji fell on the kusum cloth. She went home and rubbed some soap on the spot, which turned red. Can you give the reason for the change in color? In sabji, we use tomato, mango, powder. In it, nature remain acidic. In sabji, we use turmeric powder, which is indicator. In the acidic nature, its color is yellow. When rubbed the soap, which is basic, turmeric color becomes red. Suresh is visually disabled student. Which indicator he used to identify acid bases? Give 2 examples. Suresh can use olfactory indicator to distinguish acid and base. Vanilla or the clove oil or the onion juice are the olfactory indicator. Vanilla, pleasant smell. True drop used in the acid test tube. No change in smell. When 2 drop use vanilla in the base containing test tube, its smell disappear. Explain the reaction between metals and dilute hydrochloric with the help of an example. HCl plus zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Zinc displaces hydrogen. Question number 2. Write the balanced chemical equation of the reaction between calcium hydrogen carbonate and the hydrochloric acid, sodium hydrogen carbonate and HCl, sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide gas. Question number 3. Give an example to show that the non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. Answer. Sulfur react with oxygen, sulfur dioxide. Carbon react with oxygen, carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide dissolve in water, make sulfurous acid. Carbon dioxide dissolve in water, carbonic acid. देख लीजिए, आइडेंटिफाई एसिड फ्रॉम द गिवन कंपाउंड HNO3, Na2CO3, COOH, HCl. HNO3 is acid, HCl is acidic. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid while ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Explain. The molecules of the sulfuric acid ionize completely in the water and give more H ions, while the ammonium hydroxide ionized partially and few molecules dissociated in water and the most remain unionized. OH ions remain less. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid more due to more ions and ammonia hydroxide due to less OH ion is weak base. When some pellets of sodium hydroxide are placed on the red litmus paper, then initial nothing happen, but after some time the red litmus start turning blue. Explain why. When pellets of sodium hydroxide are placed on the litmus sodium hydroxide was unionized. In some time, sodium hydroxide absorb water of atmosphere and get ionized. And due to availability of OH ions, litmus paper turns blue. The aqueous solution of glucose and starch do not show acidic properties, but that of the sulfuric acid and acetic acid do. Why? Aqueous solution of glucose and starch do not show acidic properties, but the sulfuric acid and acetic acid do. Why? Sulfuric acid has the electrovalent bond and ionize completely, while in glucose and the starch has covalent bond and ionize partially. Due to the absence of the glucose, absence of H ions, glucose and starch not acidic, and the sulfuric acid acetic and sulfuric and acetic acid are acidic. Are H ion present in basic solution? If yes, then why the solution is basic? Pure water ionized partially, producing NaOH ions in the equal amount of, then the solution is neutral. When the pH is less than 7, solution will be acidic, and when pH more than 7 means the number of ions are more than OH ions. You have two solutions A and B in the water. The pH value of solution A is 6 and that of B is 8. Which solution will have the higher concentration of hydrogen ion? Which one has the solution is acidic and which is basic? Solution A, pH 6, means in solution H ions are more than the OH ions. Solution B, pH 8 is H ions less than the OH ions. Therefore, solution A is acidic, solution B is basic. When Julie tested solution A, B, C, D and E using universal indicator, she got pH value of 9, 7, 1, 13 and 6 respectively. On the basis you can tell which solution is A, weak acid, B, weak base, strong acid, strong base, और सी ई यह देखिए जी ए pH 9 weak base, B pH 7 neutral, C pH 1 strong acid, D pH 13 strong base, E pH 6 weak acid. Choose the correct option. In lemon juice, H ions are more, OH ions are less. ये फर्स्ट ए है. Second, when the acid react with the metal carbonate, then we got ये बी सामने आएगा, साल्ट वाटर एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Question number 3. Which among the following is not a strong acid? Not a strong acid. ये CH3COOH weak acid है ये. pH of neutral solution is, यहाँ ऑप्शन देख लीजिए 7. Sakina has burning sensation in her stomach due to acidity. She need weak base, sodium bicarbonate. The cause of the tooth decay, pH of saliva less than 5.5. ये क्या है? वीक एसिड. Which of the following salt is acidic in nature? ये ammonium chloride. Sodium chloride is neutral. Sodium sulfate neutral. Potassium nitrate neutral. Ammonium chloride is acidic. Write the names of any two acids found in the food that we eat. आंसर देख लीजिए. फर्स्ट है ऑक्जेलिक एसिड, ये टमाटो में पाया जाता है. लेमन, नींबू, साइट्रिक एसिड. हाउ डू वी डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द एसिड एंड बेस यूजिंग द ऑल्फैक्टरी इंडिकेटर? आंसर देखिए, वी कैन यूज ओनियन जूस और क्लोव ऑयल और द वेनिला as a olfactory indicator. Use with acid, with vanilla. Its pleasant smell does not change in base with the base. Vanilla loses its characteristic and you cannot smell in it more. You not steal anymore. The pH of fresh milk is 6. What will be the pH when it sets into the curd yogurt? pH 6 is acidic, while pH 8 is basic. pH of curd is less than 4. Milk pH 8 takes more time to convert pH 4. ये अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर ये है भाई. फ्रेश मिल्क pH 6 is light acidic. When it turn is curd, pH becomes 3 and 4. Question number 5. You have been given 3 test tubes. One of them is distilled water and the remaining two, one has the acid and the second has the basic solution. If you only have red litmus paper, then how will identify the nature of solution in each test tube? Suppose we have the 3 test tube in test. फर्स्ट में है वाटर, सेकंड में एसिड, थर्ड में बेसिक. We have red litmus paper. We take a drop of the test tube. Number 1, no change, not a basic. First number solution is not a basic. एक को हटा दो, not basic. Not basic. Number 2, no change, not a basic. Number 3, litmus paper, color change blue. Number 3, test tube solution is basic. Now litmus paper color blue. Now take 2 drops of the test tube. Number 1, no color change. It means number 1 is water. Now take 2 drops of the solution number 2 on the litmus, color change red. Number 3 is acid. During an experiment, Neelam and Manish added concentrated sulfuric acid to the dry anhydrous sodium chloride. A gas evolved during the reaction, which Manish placed a dry test tube. Blue litmus paper becomes red. Explain why. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देख लीजिए. NaCl plus H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus HCl. In the reaction, HCl gas release, which is acidic, and the blue litmus turns red. Some substance and their pH value are given in the table. Analyze the data in the table and answer the following question. Which of the substances are basic in nature? Which of the substances are acidic in nature? Which substances are neutral? Yes, sir. Solution of the baking soda 8.2. ये क्या है? बेसिक. लेमन जूस 2.2 एसिडिक. विनेगर 5.5 एसिडिक. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन बेसिक. वाटर न्यूट्रल. Acid A and B were taken in 2 beakers. Acid A ionized partially in water. B ionized completely on the base tail. Which among A and B are strong acid, and what is weak acid? What is strong acid? Answer: A is the weak acid, B is the strong acid. अच्छा, आंसर बी. वीक एसिड आयोनाइज पार्शियली एंड प्रोड्यूस लेस एच आयन. बी स्ट्रांग एसिड आयोनाइज कंप्लीटली एंड प्रोड्यूस मोर. यहाँ देख लीजिए मोर एच आयंस. यहाँ मोर एच आयंस. डी स्ट्रांग एसिड H2SO4, H2SO4 and HCl. Weak acid CH3COH. Which gas is usually dispelled during the reaction between acid and the metal? How will get you test this gas? Take the example of magnesium metal as example. Magnesium plus HCl, MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas release. In this reaction, magnesium displays hydrogen gas. When HCl is reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid, foaming is observed and effervescence gas is produced. Once foaming subsides, a lighted agarbatti is insists on the place the inside test tube. Explain the following given activity. Procedure or step followed in the activity. Draw a picture on the experimental setup. Write the balanced chemical equation of the reaction taking place. Egg shell is made up of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate react with the HCl, calcium chloride, carbon डाइऑक्साइड NH2. ये केमिकल बैलेंस रिएक्शन भी है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज यूज्ड एज द फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. pH scale of Thukasri field is 4.2. How can she control the pH of soil so that the get the good paddy crop? Thukasri use lime in the soil which creates the pH 6 to 7. pH a 6 to 6, 7, 8. So she get good paddy crop. What is neutralization reaction? Explained with the two examples. The reaction between the acid and base and the formation of salt is neutralization reaction. Acid plus base equal to salt plus water. HCl plus NaOH, NaCl plus H2O, HCl plus calcium carbonate, calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. pH 6 is acidic while pH 8 is basic. pH of curd is less than 4. pH 8 takes the more time to convert pH 4. Question number 14. What is salt? How the nature of salt determined? Takes ammonium nitrate and sodium carbonate. Example and explain. देख लीजिए. नेचर ऑफ साल्ट इज डिटरमाइंड बाय द एसिड एंड बेस. स्ट्रांग बेस, स्ट्रांग एसिड, नेचुरल साल्ट इज न्यूट्रल. सपोज देख लीजिए NaOH प्लस HCl, NaCl, साल्ट इज न्यूट्रल. स्ट्रांग बेस, वीक एसिड, salt become basic. NaOH, strong base, weak acid. CH3CONA, basic. Ammonium hydroxide plus HCl. क्या है? अमोनियम क्लोराइड. अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज वीक बेस. HCl is strong acid, then acidic. Weak acid plus weak base, neutral. Weak acid जैसा अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड हाँ, ये अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड प्लस HNO3 क्या बनेगा? अमोनियम नाइट्रेट. एसिडिक, NaOH प्लस H2CO3, सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट, ये क्या है? बेसिक, स्ट्रांग बेस, वीक, हाँ स्ट्रांग बेस, ये वीक एसिड, solution is basic. Identify the acid and basic radicals in each given salt: ammonium chloride, potassium nitrate, ammonium carbonate and copper sulfate. A basic radicals, these are acid radicals. Ammonium basic, क्लोरीन इसको क्लोरीन है पर इसको क्लोराइड कहते हैं. एसिड रेडिकल, पोटेशियम बेसिक, नाइट्रेट एसिड, अमोनियम बेसिक, कार्बोनेट रेडिस, कॉपर बेसिक, सल्फेट एसिड. ये एसिड रेडिकल होते हैं, ये एसिड बनाते हैं इसलिए एसिड, ये बेस बनाते हैं इसलिए बेसिक रेडिकल्स. व्हाट विल बी द नेचर ऑफ एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द पोटेशियम क्लोराइड? एक्सप्लेन. How does the excess of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and oxides of the nitrogen in the atmosphere affect life? The carbon dioxide dissolve in water, make carbonic acid. Sulfur dioxide with react sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide dissolve in water. Sulfuric acid, nitric oxide plus water make nitric acid and NO. Usually the pH remain pH of the rainwater is 7, but when the different gases present in the atmosphere dissolve in it, pH of water becomes less than 7, 5 to 6. Yeah, 5 to 6. It causes acid rain. It called acid rain. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, NO2 gases are produced during the fuel combustion or may cause acid rain. Acid rainfall damages plant, animals and buildings.